Hi guys, I hope you've all had a really lovely week. So this week I thought I'd do something a little bit different to my normal style of video. So this week I'm in the kitchen and I'm going to show you a really quick weeknight meal. Something that's not only really yummy but healthy and quick and easy to whip up. So I hope you really like it. Let me know what you think and let's get going. Hey everybody, today we're going to be doing a turkey rice bowl. So I thought I'll show you a really nice, quick, simple weeknight meal that's healthy and delicious. So rice bowls are one of my absolute favourite go-to meals. I love rice bowls. They are the best. I have variations of rice bowls. I do Mexican rice bowls, Asian rice bowls. You can do it with turkey mince, beef mince, pork mince, chicken mince. Today we're doing turkey, and we're going to do like a little bit of an Asian style rice bowl. I first fell in love with rice bowls when I was in Japan. There they sell them in a big stone hot bowl. It comes out like piping hot, and then like all the rice goes all caramelized and like crispy on the edges. Oh, to die for. Absolutely amazing. I love it so much. I love it. We don't have one of those here today, but we've got one of these amazing bowls that I did buy in Japan. So I'll show you what we've got and I'll show you how we're going to do it, and let's get going. So we've got turkey mince, but you can use any mince really. I just had turkey mince in the freezer, so I've just defrosted that. Zucchini and carrots, garlic, capsicum, an egg for going on top, broccoli and snow peas that we're going to saute and go on top, same with the spinach. We've got the rice. So I've used basmati rice here today. You can use any rice. You can use quinoa, you can use brown rice, you can use a variation of them all. If you want to be a little bit more traditional, you can use a Japanese rice or a short grain rice. This is basmati, which is a bit of a longer grain rice. I prefer it because it's just really versatile, so you can use it with curries and all that sort of stuff, so we just use basmati. And then I've also got sesame seeds here for garnish. And then for seasoning and marinating of the meat, we've got ginger, soy sauce, fish sauce, and sesame oil. Let's get going. So first things first, we're going to marinate the mince. I like to do that first just because it gets a little bit of flavour in there. So we're just going to peel and chop our garlic. So I like to do a nice fine chop on the garlic. Okay, so we're going to go in with the garlic. Then we're going to go in with about a tablespoon of soy sauce. Now I don't normally measure. I'll give a tablespoon and a half. Got a tablespoon and a half. I don't normally measure because I'll just go with my gut. And then we'll go in with a teaspoon of fish sauce. Got a teaspoon left. So we don't need to add any salt to this. The soy sauce and the fish sauce will do that for us. And then I like to add quite a bit of sesame oil. So this one, add to your taste. I add about a teaspoon, which is quite a lot for most people. But I really like the sesame flavour. And then we'll go in with a really good chunk of ginger. Now you can use freshly grated ginger, so I'm using about this much. You can use freshly grated ginger. I've just got it in the jar today. Just easier, simple, for any reason. Mix it up. And then we're just going to pop that to the side and let that marinate. Alright, so rice goes in the rice cooker. So I'm doing 1 cup of rice to 1.5 cups of water. If you're doing brown rice or quinoa, I go 1 cup to 2 cups of water. Sometimes 2.5, depending on how dry it is. Sometimes you need to add a little bit more. Add a little bit of salt if you want. You can also add stock powder, makes it taste quite nice. I put it in the rice cooker and then I can just put the lid on it, let it go. If you're doing it on the stove, just follow the instructions on the packet. Pop that in and set that going. Okay, so now we're going to prep some vegetables. So the vegetables that we've got going in here, we've got the broccoli and the snow peas that they're going to go on the top with the spinach. We've got the capsicum, zucchini and the carrots, and they're going to go in with the meat. So I'm all about vegetables. I love, love, love vegetables. I'm all about that vegetable life. I don't have very much capsicum. I'm not going to the shop to get more capsicum, so this is just what I've got today. So I just like to do a nice fine dice. That. So another vegetable that's really nice in this is mushrooms. I love mushrooms in this. I like spring onions, but I don't have any spring onions at the moment. So we're going to top and tail our carrots and our zucchini, and then we're just going to grate them up and pop them in. Peeling carrots is literally one of my least favourite jobs in the whole world. Make sure you've got it all out. Then mix it all in. I like to mix it. You can also cook your meat, your vegetables separately and then mix it all in later, but I just like to mix it all in, cook it all together. Cooks it all at once. I just find it easier, quicker. Alrighty, so while we're here prepping things, I'll just prep my broccoli. So I'm just going to do enough for one, because I'm just going to freeze the rest of that meat and then put the rest of that rice in the fridge. So just going to do enough broccoli for one, and I'm also going to do some of the broccoli stem. So I like to eat the broccoli stem. I think it's really nice. Some people don't. It's up to you. So I like to trim off the outside bits, trim off the bottom. So you just clean it up like that. And then I like to just slice it up into bits like this. And then they cook quite nicely as well when they're in bits like this. And then snow peas. Same with the snow peas, I'll just do enough for me. I'm just going to top and tail them. Nothing fancy. So other things you can use are like bok choy. Again, you can either put your mushrooms in with your meat, or you can do like little sauteed caramelized mushrooms. They're really nice. You can do zucchini strips. You can do pickled carrots. You can do pickled cucumbers. That's really nice as well on top, like a little bit of freshness. What else can you do? You can do pretty much any vegetables. Saute them with a little bit of ginger, a little bit of garlic. So that's what I'm going to be doing with these. And then they go on top, and then they're really yummy. So let's get cooking. my rice is in the bowl. So I like to go in with my meat first. So we've got the mince here. So I'll put a nice big chunk of that in. Nice decent size of that. A good amount of spinach. Use all of that. I like to put that down the bottom, spinach, because then you put everything on top of it and then it wilts a little bit anyway. Go in with the broccoli. Oh, spilling some. Put some over there. An egg, which I broke the yolk of, but there's still a bit of runny yolk on there. It's very nice, topped with some spring onions. Go with your sesame seeds. I love sesame seeds. Omega-3s. They taste really good. You can toast these as well. It gives them a slightly different flavour. And then I've got a little bit of sriracha mayo here. You can make your own. I don't know why we've got pre-made sriracha mayo. But you can just make your own. And then just give it a good drizzle on top. Delicious. And that is one of my favourite meals. Yum, yum, yum. Rice bowls. Nice and quick. Super, super fast. My favourite thing is the runny yolk with the rice. That has got to be the thing that I eat these bowls for. And then also sometimes I put aioli on there. I love aioli. It's really good. Yum, yum, yum. I hope this video has given you a great new recipe to try and you'll give it a go. Please, if you do give it a go, let me know. I'd really love to hear from you guys. If you want more videos like this and you like this style of video, please do let me know and pop something down in the comments. And please like this video. Make sure you do subscribe to my channel. I try and upload videos at least once a week and try and do them on Sunday afternoons when I can. It really does help support my channel, and make sure you also jump over onto Instagram and give me a follow there. I'm mindful_and_messy as well, and I'll see you all again next week. Thanks guys.